Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. And today I am here to film card number 74 on my 100 Quick and Easy Cards series. So I'm thinking this might be quick, it might not be, but we'll see. I'll do our work as quickly as I can anyway. So I've got 3 bits of basic white. I've got a parakeet party card base. I have our in colours out, and I've got ringed with nature. And I've got an idea of stamping the house, cutting it out. I'm not even sure if I've got the dies somewhere. I don't even know where they are right now, but I'll just do fussy cutting. And then I'm going to just stamp some of the foliage on the card and sit the house on top. Sort of a house in a winter garden kind of ish idea. So that, you know, it may or may not happen that way. But I'm going to have a Tahitian tied house with a starry sky roof. That's where I'm going. Right, so I haven't used these stamps before, so I actually should just give them a bit of right. I'm going to cut this out, so I'll just pop it anywhere. That's okay. And then a starry sky roof, just because, do you know, there's no reason. Now, I need to try and line this up. Not stamped with these before. That's okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. We'll just go with it. And on this one, I'm going to use the Merry Christmas. Where is it? A nice script. I actually keep forgetting that's there when I'm looking for other Merry Christmases. That is a nice script, isn't it? So I think we'll just, with the sweet sorbet, let's pop our Merry Christmas here. And then we'll build our picture. I think we'll have some poinsettias. Do we have maybe 3 poinsettias? And then some greenery. So what we got? That's a flower. There's a greenery type of. I think I'll maybe cut my house out so that I can see where it's going to sit. As I say, I think there probably is might be a die in the die set. I just haven't had this set out for so long. Let's get rid of the extra card there. I'll use that for some other stamping. I just thought this would be another wee fun card. So card 74, gosh, we will get there. Chasing my tail a wee bit just now, but I'll get ahead again. Instead of roses round the door, we're going to have poinsettias round the door. Do you know, card making, it's just about making your own little piece of art and just amusing yourself, really. Quite nice just to use a wee family of colours. What else are we going to bring in? The Orchid Oasis as well, so I think I'll use the berries. They might look like blueberries. They might not, but you can only try. I'm not actually going to worry about the fact that the stalk is blue as well. We need a bit more greenery in here, so we have this leaf, or that, yeah, well there's that wee stalky thing. Let's see what happens. So I really am making it up here off. I just want to put some back in the middle. It's different. That's what I was after, different. Just, it's a bit of fun. You know, I'm just tidying a bit so I can see where I'm going. Right, I don't know if there's anything else I really want. Maybe this wee dottery bit would do fine in the middle of the flowers. Have I got a little one? No, we'll just use this one. And I think I'll just take the parakeet party and just I think we need just putting some dots, just to take the white, stark white off. Then I'm just going to put this on some dimensionals. I must have put them away after the last card. Fancy that. So it's just a bit different. Might be too different for you, I don't know, but I like to amuse myself with my stamping. What do you think? It needs a heart. There is a lovely heart here. Let's use that. It's a bit of love in this old house. I think I need to clean this block before I use it though. No. That'll do. Glue. I really should have stuck this on the card base before I added on the things on dimensionals, but never mind. Because I didn't use the colours in the house on the rest of the card, it stands out quite well. And that is almost another quick and easy card, but of course we do need to do something for the inside, and I think we'll just do some poinsettias. Just leave it at that, I think. What other sentiments are there? I could get, well, just for you, Merry Christmas, love and, well, love and warmth, you could put that, because that would be nice to have some love and warmth at Christmas. There we go. Why did I put the lid on the glue in? I need to put the glue in. So I think this really is a hashtag simple stamping card. One wee thing cut out and the rest is all just stamped. Pardon me. And it certainly was quick and easy. Although I am tired, so probably didn't work as quickly as usual. Card number 74 in the 100 quick and easy cards. I think that is a bit of fun. Obviously you can change up the colours and you'll get a different result. But thank you so much for bearing with me on this. Thank you. Bye.